Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for September 2021. The regular Glam Bag, this is a $12 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 sample size products catered to our beauty profile. And the Glam Bag Plus, this is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full size products catered to our beauty profile. I do have 2 separate profiles for my bags. So the regular Glam Bag, this is somebody who's interested in more adventurous makeup, different age, different eye color, just a person who's not me. The Glam Bag Plus, this is my regular normal subscription, somebody who's interested in more neutral makeup, correct age, hair color, eye color, all that stuff. So this bag is my profile and this bag is somebody else's profile. I will say that when I am reviewing the products in these bags, I review them as that profile. So I review these for me and then I review this as if I was interested in more adventurous makeup. Just, you know, it's fun to see, number one, whether your profile matters, and number two, what the difference is between the 2 subscriptions. Ipsy does have other tiers of the subscription, but these are the 2 that I like to compare, as they are the bottom and then the next level up, as I guess how you would put it. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will have it right here on the screen for you, as well as the full size value if it is full size, and the estimated sample size value if it is sample sized. Alright, let's just go ahead and open them up. We're going to start with the regular Glam Bag per usual. This is typically my favorite bag, although I think the value in the other one is better, if that makes sense. Alright, so this is the bag this month. It has a yellow and black and white plaid, and then the other side it has like this pleather, which apparently we're calling pleather vegan leather now instead of like plastic leather, which is what pleather stands for. I mean, I love it, but back in my day, pleather was not cool. It was pleather, and now it's vegan leather, so it is cool. But anyways, that's the bag this month. Inside here we should have the theme on a card. Let's grab that. So the theme is back to work, school, life. So there's that. It's kind of got like writing all sorts of different ways. The first thing actually in this bag is right here on the outside. This is a 2-piece sheet mask set from BRTC, which I'm not sure if they are cruelty-free. It is K-Beauty, which K-Beauty tends to be more difficult for me to find out if it's cruelty-free or not. But if I'm able to find out if it's cruelty-free, I will have that on the screen for you. You'll already have seen that. So this 2 sheet masks right here. The first one is a vitamin B5 velvet sheet mask, and the other one is a vitamin A velvet sheet mask. I have tons of sheet masks, and they're not my favorite, really. I mean, I like them all right, but I love the ones that you can peel off, and I don't know if that's just like because I like picking and peeling. I don't know. I like the peel off masks, but I may use these. I may pass them on to somebody else. It just sort of depends how I'm feeling. This card right here should also have the full size value of that, so I can let you know right now. So this is considered full size. This is $4 per mask, so not really that bad of a price, I don't think, for a sheet mask, so not mad. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is from Gold Faden MD. This is a Solution Needleless Line Smoothing Concentrate. There's the packaging right there. So my understanding just looking at this is that this is a serum, basically. It says Gold Faden's Smoothing Serum is the ultimate non-invasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth. I do have some fine lines. I don't really mind them that much, honestly. I don't know. Like, I have like more wrinkle on my forehead than I do here, but I do have some fine lines. I may use this. It's how's that full? That's about like halfway full, so there's not too much in here. So I should be able to get through this fairly quickly. Yeah, I'll probably give it a go. Full size is $115, which serums tend to be pretty expensive, but not typically that expensive. So I don't know if this is like super, super good or if it's just overpriced, but I don't think I would pay that personally. Moving right along, feels like we have another skincare or hair care item. Okay, so this is from Somme Institute, S-O-M-M-E. This is an eye cream, firming and brightening. It's not saying whether it's cruelty-free or not, so I would definitely look into that. Yeah, it's just an eye cream. Like, the packaging's kind of boring, you know, just an eye cream. The full size of the eye cream is $79, which eye creams also tend to be expensive. I don't know if they need to be that expensive, though. Would you pay $79 for an eye cream? I would love to know. I don't really think that I would, personally, but I'll give it a try. All right. This next thing I'm pulling out is from Kokie Cosmetics, which is cruelty-free. This is the Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. Okay, so mine is in the shade Medium Beige, which I think would be a fine shade for me if I used concealer. I use it to actually like conceal blemishes and things like that, but I do not use it on my under eye anymore. I just think it looks cakey no matter what I do, and that's just my skin, and so I'm not going to keep caking stuff under there if it just doesn't look good. So I do not use concealer in that way, and I don't really need a new concealer. It takes me so long to get through these because I don't really deal with blemishes a ton, so I don't really feel like I need this right now. This is full size and it's kind of tiny, to be honest, but it's valued at $8, so there's that. All right, and we have one last item, and this is from Lower East Side. Never heard of this brand. Okay, so it is cruelty-free. This is the Full Brow Gel. There's the packaging. Mine is in the shade Light Brown, which I think might be a little light for me. I don't know. Let's see what that looks like. I typically am like a dark brown or a medium brown, more than I am a light brown, but let's see. Okay, so here is the wand itself. It's very thin, and I kind of like that. Let's go ahead and swatch it and see what color we have here. Not too bad. I don't even know if well, maybe it is light brown. There's the color. Yeah, it is light brown, but it's not too light, I don't think. I think I could probably make that work. This is also full size, and it's $19, which this is so little. Like, my sample eyebrow gel is like this size. I don't know. Whatever. They're saying it's full size and it's valued at $19. I don't think I would pay $19 for something this tiny, personally. Okay, so that's the regular Glam Bag. That is the Adventurous profile. So overall, I don't really think it matches the profile. Literally, there's 3 skincare items, and the 2 makeup items are a concealer and a brow gel, which, I mean, how can you be adventurous with that? So it's kind of like not good nor bad, just sort of middle of the road as far as the profile goes. As far as, do I like everything in there? Not really. I am not excited about any of this personally. Maybe the brow gel is like the most exciting thing, but overall, not too pumped. All right, let's move into the Glam Bag Plus. All right, so this is the bag for that. Very cute, very similar, just no vegan leather on this one. Just start pulling stuff out of here. The first thing I'm seeing right on top is this from Beautology Lab, which I've never heard of this brand. This is the Refresh and Revitalize Hydrate Calm Brighten Firm 24K Gold Collagen Eye Masks. So there they are. There are 12 pairs in here. That's actually pretty good, I'd say, 12. I'm excited to try these. It does say it is cruelty-free, so that's good. Did I already say that? I don't know if I said that, but it is cruelty-free. I like using these in the morning to like get rid of puffiness. I don't deal with a ton of puffiness, but sometimes I like putting these on to like wake up, and it like wakes up your skin. Yeah, I definitely will use these. I don't have any right now. When you do get these sort of things, you don't want to let them sit around too long because they will dry up. I have learned that in the past. So yeah, definitely excited to get those. Okay, this next thing I have is from Y Collection, something like that. It is cruelty-free. I feel like I've tried something from this brand in the past, but I can't quite remember what it is. This is a Stay Natural blush, a liquid blush. I wonder if Stay Natural is the color, but there's the packaging. Kind of boring, to be honest. Not my favorite packaging. Oh, okay, so there's 2 of them in here. Okay, so we have like a pink and an orange almost. There's the 2 colors in the thing. So there's the like coral one is called guayaba, some sort of fruit, I think. And the pink one is called watermelon. Okay, so yeah. Let's go ahead and swatch these real quick. We'll do the little orange one first, or guayaba. I don't know what that fruit is. I'm not a fan of liquid blushes, personally. But let's see how this looks. I can already tell I'm not gonna like these. So there's the first one. It's orange. It looks like a literal lipstick on my hand. I assume you can brush that out though. That's very orange, and I don't think that's a good color for me, but let's try the pink one, the watermelon. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, these are not my color. That's for sure. So there's the pink one right there. The pink one looks way more muted on camera than it is in real life. Like in real life, it's hot pink. I don't know. Liquid blush is not my thing, but maybe I can try these, give it a try, step outside my comfort zone a little bit and try something new. But first impressions, like, yikes, those are very, very bright. All right, moving right along. Let's pull up the next thing. All right, so next we have a, looks like a black eyeliner. Blacker Than Black, y'all, is the shade of this eyeliner. It is from Uoma Beauty, and I don't know if they are cruelty-free, and the packaging is not telling me, but the packaging is pretty cute. Black and silver, I like that. All right, so here's the pencil itself. I think it's going to be like a felt tip liner. Yes, so it is a felt tip, and it's kind of a short little tip on there, so that's interesting. I will swatch this, even though it is just a black eyeliner. See if we can make it thick. Okay, so yeah, I did 2 lines. One is thin, one is thick. That's those right there on the side here. They're just black eyeliners, like nothing really special to say about it. I definitely will give this a try though, see if I like it on my eyes. All right, the next thing I have is an eyeshadow palette, it looks like. This is from Il Maquillage, which is cruelty-free. This is, sorry, the writing is written this way and then like the other words are this way. This is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. Here's the packaging, pretty nice. I've tried a couple shadows from this brand, shimmers I believe, and they're very, very nice from what I remember. I love the packaging too. Even the eyeshadow singles come in like this heavy metal packaging and I like that a lot. So there's the color story. And I think this might be a pass for me. It's like a cool toned purple sort of deal. And purple's just not my color. If you know anything about me, I hate the color purple. It's not a color I wear. It's not a color I like. It's just not going to be something I'm ever drawn to. So, although I think the cool tone would be nice, I don't know. Maybe I can make it work. I'll think about it. But my gut is telling me, Sarah, you're never going to wear purple. So, got that. Okay, and we have one last item, and this is from Misho Beauty, which is cruelty-free. This is the Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm, and mine is in the shade Ijama. Ijama? Here's the outer packaging. Here's the color name, Ijama. I-J-A-M-A. I don't know. Let's see what a Lip Shine Sheer Lip Balm looks like. Inner component, just like the outside, gold. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch it right here. So it is sort of sheer, but it's pretty much a lipstick to me. It's just like a satin sort of finished lipstick is what I would call it. It looks like it can be sheared out, but it is kind of not like really a balm. I would not call that a balm. But I definitely do like the color, which is weird that I like this and it's like purple, but I don't like a purple eyeshadow. I don't know, but I like that. It's like a nude, like a cool tone nude. All right, so that's everything for the Glam Bag Plus. And I think that bag matches the Adventures profile better. I mean, I got a purple eyeshadow. I got like these bright, bright blushes, and the lip color and the eyeliner are pretty neutral, and the eye things. But the makeup I got in here definitely, I feel it goes with the other profile. It's not stuff I personally really even like. Overall, I think the Glam Bag Plus was a better bag. Very makeup heavy, which is what I prefer. And I I'm excited about at least one thing in there. I'm definitely going to use that lip color. I will try the liquid blushes out. I will use the black eyeliner as well. I just feel like I'm going to use more from the Glam Bag Plus than I would from the regular Glam Bag. But now I'd love to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments what you, number one, thought of my bags. And if you get either one of these subscriptions, I would love to know what you got in your bag this month. Let me know right down there in the comments. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.